Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today in this video, I'm going to be going over the new Greenville update. And I'm going to read the changelog because why the frick not? So I'm really excited for this one because, it's the new update and everybody's been freaking asking for this. So I'm going to just read it. So version 1.21.0. It looks like a scared face or like a shocked face, like... Added interactivity to the Greenville Fire Rescue Team. You are now able to put out fires down around the town. Oh, that's cool. A fire will randomly be generated after a certain amount of minutes. Use your fire truck to put it out with the fire hose on it. You can get the new remodeled 2010 Horlock Velocity for free as a job car. You earn $15 per fire put out. If 2 people are on the team, larger fires will be generated versus the smaller fires with a solo player. Fires are more frequent in public servers versus private servers. Oh. Well, I mean, I have a private server, so we're going to test this crap out. The water hose on the fire truck can knock down people if it's sprayed on them for too long. The fire at the fire scenes can damage you. Watch out. Spring map has returned. No more snow on the ground. At a new fire department building, this houses the offices, bedrooms, kitchen, and multiple floor locations inside the FD. I think I have a picture of it and when it was in construction, so I wanted to, I was wondering why that freaking thing was there. But I guess it's a new fire department building. It's pretty freaking cool. So added a completely new redone old fire department, the municipal. I keep forgetting this goddamn word. Service center is now located there. Added engine idle sounds, only a few cars at the moment. More will be added as the time progresses. Only for now, select sportier cars classics. Okay. Completely rewritten tire dirt scripts. They now run more efficiently. New sounding tire squeal, asphalt sounds, and tire popping sounds are included. Oh, that's cool. So roof customization on houses. Okay, so this was a thing that everybody, or at least everybody that I knew, was complaining about. Since it was the roof could not be changed because of the snow update. And because it was snowed over. So it would say you cannot customize it because the roof is snowed in or something like that. But I'm glad it's spring now. I'm glad it's the spring map. And I'm going to get a house there to see. Added 34 new cars. God damn. 100 individual trims added. Updated some models in game with new trims, rims, colors, completely remodeled, retuned. Damn. 50 new rims have been added to the tire shop, of freaking course, because they always do that per update. Private server owners can now activate the Tornado Sirens and fire alarms. No fucking way this works. No fucking way. Oh my god. Oh my god. No way. No fucking way this works. Holy shit, I'm gonna test that out. New helmets for GFD, as well as new hats for all Leo teams. Walk button has been added. ALT toggles walk. As well as criminal gets stamina for sprinting. New ambient sounds have been added. Birds now are active at daytime. New title screen song for the spring season, as well as some new dealership music, radio music. Sounds are non-copyright and APM audios. This includes all the audios being saved in the game for March 22nd Roblox update. Dude, that's my freaking birthday! If you do donuts for long enough, your tiles will pop. No way, that's so fucking cool. Fixed car type sorting on dealerships when using filters. Multiple brands sorting has been fixed in the dealership, along with the new UI logos on the sort page. Multiple car brands have been fixed with some lights, sounds, some tunes on the cars. Small changes to note. Slightly tweaked Super Witch neighborhood to accommodate the new FD. Gas prices have been raised to $4, improving dirt saving, fixed more car bugs. Dang, I'm gonna do this one. Any recurring reported bugs will be fixed as soon as possible in a patch later update around the AM hours for CDT time zone. I have no idea what CDT is. Fire hose being broken for some players will be fixed as soon as we find a fix to it. Okay, so what I'm really looking forward to is the Tornado Sirens. You cannot activate it during a Tornado Siren, guys. You cannot activate it in your own private server. It's what the hell? So I'm gonna do that right now. Also, guys, if you can't hear anything, I'm going to I don't know what's going on, but like every time I screen record on Roblox, the audio just completely goes blank. I don't know what the hell is wrong with it. So I'm in Roblox right now. I'm gonna go to servers, and then it's map private server, or my Greenville server. So I want to see all the updates. I also want to go to the Tornado Sirens, because like that's gonna be so freaking cool to see the Tornado Sirens actually activating. There's two I want to test out. So I think the first one is gonna be the main one that everyone talks about, which is gonna be the ASCT 128, which is like freaking everywhere. And then the FS Thunderbolt at the old fire department station, which is, guys, I'm really looking forward to this. I really want to see those freaking tornado sirens go on. So I'm loading in my private server. Oh my god. Everyone's been looking forward to this. Like, Jesus Christ. Oh my gosh. This is gonna be so freaking awesome. Yeah. I'm just gonna wait for this to load and we'll be good. Alright, guys, we're loaded in. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, lag. Okay, let's see what's new. No, this is all the same. Spike strip physics, criminal only. Physics. Curbs pop tires. Spawn NPCs. Okay. Does that mean that cars drive around? Wait. Does that mean that AI cars actually freaking drive around? Oh yeah, I went into this game for the Jeep. Guys, the Laredo looks so freaking cool. It has the nice little silver trim that goes around the bumpers and the fenders. Oh, I'm in love with this Jeep. This looks so amazing. Not as much as the G-Wagon, because the G-Wagon is #1. But this looks so good. Oh my god, I like the little fog lights right here on the grill, and it says Overland. This is amazing. So I'm just gonna go outside real quickly to look at the cars that were added. So these are all the cars that have been added. So we have the Navara Star, and so it's like, it's a Nissan 350, because the Navara Star is the Nissan 350. So we have the Brasa Noble. I think this is the I don't know if this is the Monte Carlo or the GNX. No, this is the Monte Carlo. This is the GNX. Yeah, NX. So, and then we have the Overland Navajo. There's four doors. 4D is like doors. Oh, no way, the wood trim. I should have gotten this one. This would have looked so cool. Oh my god. Whew. So the Laredo 2-door, Sport 2-door, Sport 4-door, SE 2-door. Okay. Then we have the Bullhorn BH-115. There's Beater, 2 Laramie, 2 SST, 2 Sport, 4 SLT, 4... what's that word, Laramie? Oh no, 2 SLT, and then that's all. Then we have the 01 Navajo. There's the SE4 4 doors, 2 doors, Sport 4 doors, 2 doors, Limited 4 doors, and I think that's all of them. Chevron Zafiro, LS Coupe, SS Coupe, LTZ Coupe, LT Coupe, LS Sedan, LT Sedan. Damn, this got a lot. SS Sedan, LTZ Sedan. That's a lot. Goddamn. And then LG Splash was talking a lot about this one because he thought it looked so cool. Honestly, this looks... Oh, the CR. CR looks great. Yeah, the Navara Star. This is a 350. 350Z. And the Nismo is going to be... Yeah. Oh. LG Splash loves these. The Elysium Millennium and then the Navara Star. Yeah, the Viking, which I think is a Volvo. Viking is Volvo, so yeah. And then we have... I think they renamed this because it's not like the weird name, the long one that was like It's so hard to pronounce. So I'm kind of glad it's called Velfire Freedom now. It's an FJ cruiser. They added a Honda. Oh, I hope these don't Honda run Teslas anymore. And then there's a 14 year and then a 16 year. Sumo Oda, which is like a Subaru Impreza. No. Wolfsburg is a Volkswagen, BKM, BMW SUV. This is, I think, a Lincoln Continental. Sounds about right. Oh, there's a Rolls Royce. I keep getting every single Rolls Royce mixed up. I don't know. What's the SUV? I'm not really into Rolls Royce. I just like G Wagons. You guys already know. So we have a Ford Escape, I think. What the? Oh, this is the GT63. Damn, that looks better than I expected. So Wolfsburg, this is like a Volkswagen. There's the Audi. Okay. Oh, what the? That's the Chrysler Columbia? Is that right? Pacifica, no? These look cool. Okay. On to the next thing. What the? Wait, what is that? Oh. Oh my god, just walking on, seeing this beautiful, sexy thing. Wait, honestly, why don't I have a G-Wagon? I have $1.4 million. Let's get a G-Wagon. Oh, now that's what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna drive this around. This is the startup. Yeah, you don't hear anything. I don't know why, but my audio is broken. So I want to go to the, should we do the Tornado Sirens first? Oh, that's gonna be so cool, though. Alright, yeah, let's go to the Tornado Sirens. Hold up. I need a faster car. You know what? No, we'll drive over there. Beautiful G-Wagon. Besides, there's a Tornado Siren, like, not that far away. Whoa. That was close. Go G-Wagon. Ooh, this is the 63 AMG, boy. Yeah, boy. Jump. Oh. What did I do to you, G-Wagon? I'm so sorry. Okay, we're at the Tornado Siren. If this works, I'm gonna freak out. If this works, I'm gonna freak out. Oh my god. No way. I'm gonna freak out. Oh, I popped the tire. I'm gonna freak out if this works. I can't hear it right now, so if the thing starts spinning up there, it's working. Okay. So I'm gonna stop this recording, and then I'm gonna make it into a separate one, so that you guys can hear. Actually, no. I don't know. So, if the thing just starts spinning up there, then it's working. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. No way! Oh, I wish I could hear this right now. Holy crap. No freaking way. Dude. No damn way. Wait, can I turn it back off? I can! Oh my god, this is the best update ever. Best update ever. Hunter, thank you so much for making this. This is gonna make my day. Dude, the sirens work. The sirens actually work. He was not capping. He was not capping. He freaking made it work. Oh, Hunter, thank you so much. Dude, this is the best update ever. No! Oh! Oh no, G-Wagon. I'll get you out of the ditch. Okay, let's go to the other siren, which is the FS Thunderbolt Federal Signal Thunderbolt 1000. It's actually what it is, the red one. So I'm gonna see if that one spins too. That's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be absolutely insane. Okay, G-Wagon, chill. Oh, it has like a refresh to it. Looks wait, no, did they remove it? No, did they freaking remove it? Oh, wait, what the hell is that? Is it? Yeah, that's a siren. What? Is there a button? Oh, wait. Do these work? No, they work. Oh, guys, you know what that reminds me of? The kids who pull the fire alarms at my school. That looks so cool. Hunter, how can I thank you so much for making this? Oh my god, this made my day. This made my freaking day. This is my early Christmas present. This is an early Christmas present for me. Oh, is it LG Splash's truck? I think he sold it for a 2010 Mustang. How do I get to those? Those look cool. Look at that, it's like a bunch just packed together. Like a school of fish. There used to be the FS Thunderbolt, but I think they removed it when they revamped the building. That's sad. At least the ASCT 128s work. Like, that's so freaking amazing. Wait a minute. Does the new fire department have those? Alright, guys, I'm here. I don't know if it's here. Was it? What did I just see? They moved it to here. But then where is the activation? That's it. That has to be the activation thing. Oh, if there was only a freaking way to get in there. Let's pull it just like those kids. Let's pull it like those kids that do it at my school. Me. Oh, did I leave it on? No, okay. Oh, it is on. Turn off, Sesame. Still on? From the hallways. They on again? This is the best update ever. Where are the stairs? I mean, not gonna lie, this place is huge, but it's also amazing. There's beds here. What? And there's TVs? Can I turn these off? Nope, there's just one of those things. These are all bedrooms, yep. Where are the stairs? Those are offices. Jesus Christ, this place is huge. Oh, this is the garage. This place is so goddamn huge. Where am I? I think I'm just going back. Where the hell am I going? I have to talk kind of low because there's people sleeping in my house now. And, oh, there's a kitchen. I thought that was the Pro Chef oven from Bloxburg. Jesus Christ, where do I go? Constructed by... Oh, well, thank you for making this beautiful masterpiece, but where are the stairs? I want to activate that Thunderbolt. I want to activate that freaking Thunderbolt. Okay, I think I'm outside. Yeah, my G-Wagon is just over there. God damn, how do I get up there? The Thunderbolt is up there. But where do I go to get to the Thunderbolt? Here? No, that's an office. These are bathrooms. Oh, that's the woman's bathroom. What? This is confusing me. What if we go through here, the garage? These are beverages. I could get uniforms. Then there's our showers. Where do I go? Oh my god. Whoever constructed this place, they did a good job at hiding the stairs. Where is it? I don't get it. I'm genuinely confused. Guys, I have looked for like 10 minutes now. I cannot find the goddamn stairs. Wait. The hell is this room? What's the point of this room? Other than some weird construction thing. I want to get to the Thunderbolt. Where do I go to get to the Thunderbolt? Wait, can I? Oh my god. Wait. I'm not gonna make that jump. There's no freaking way. Oh. Damn it. My G-Wagon is just sitting over there. How do I get up there to the... I'm gonna cry. Oh. Where do I go? I want to get to the Thunderbolt. Our new station. Yay. God. I don't know where to go to get to the Thunderbolt because I really want to activate it, but I think the breaker box is up there, so I can't even activate. This is a doozy. This is crap. Where do I go? I'm hitting the top, I think. Wait. Can I? No. What if I just stay there and then... Oh, it's almost done. Come on. Come on, go back out and then go up. No. Where do I go? This is confusing me. I don't think there's a roof access. There ain't no roof access. Is there a fly command? Fly? No. There's no fly command. What the hell? I can't find my way up this goddamn place. Where do I really want to activate that siren. It's so tempting to just walk the hell over there. But I can't activate it without getting to know where it is. I just spawned my G-Wagon. I thought I could sit in it. Go. No. Right here. Damn it. Right here. No. Oh my god. What a numpty. I'm inside my own car. What the hell? This is hurting me. Where do I... Wait. If I walk on the wall trim... No, that's not gonna work. Oh my god, where the frick do I... No. Do time. Time 8. I have to do it again. Time 8. Okay. Can I do the fly command now? Yeah, it doesn't work. What the hell is my Jeep? Oh, it's glitched in. It's gonna crash my game. Yeah, there you go. Just stand there. I can't... I wish it was like solid cars. Wait. If I exit and then go... And 1, 2... Come on. I think I should Google if there's a fly command for... Come on. Oh, no, don't lose. Yes! Oh, wait, where do I... Did I just come up here for nothing? I came up here for nothing. Absolutely nothing. What? Where's the button? I think if I just go down, it's gonna be there. So it's like in the center. Like, I don't know, like right here. Oh my god. Greenville Fire Department in 2013. Oh my god, I just went up there for nothing just to come back down here. God, this is a huge room. It's like a board meeting. Okay, I don't know where to go. What do I... Oh my god. It's like a conference room. Alright guys, well I'm gonna end the video there. It was so cool to know that the freaking things turn on. But I'm gonna Google and see where to turn on the damn... What's this? Where to turn on the damn Thunderbolt. I think this is a printer. I don't know where to turn it on. If you guys have any tips, let me know in the comments section below. Because I am totally lost. Wait, one more time for funsies. Oh my god. Alright guys, well, thank you guys for watching. This was a very huge update. And I want to just say thank you so much to Hunter for allowing the sirens in Greenville. It's absolutely amazing that he did this. I never thought he would do this. Because it's so freaking cool. Like, goddamn, this is so sick. That now private servers can just activate the Tornado Siren. And it's no, it's not right here, is it? Bruh. Dude. Boom. Wait, I have to see. Because I have no audio. I don't know why. Wait, what? Was that not a button? Guys. I swear that was a button. Nah. What? Alright, I clicked it. I don't know if it's working now. It's not working. Is it disabled for here? I clicked it like 10 million times. Okay, it's just like a stand. It's like a booth or something. Yeah, I'm gonna Google where to turn this thing on. But yeah, like I said, this is very cool. It's a very fun update. I'm definitely gonna be on Greenville more, cause this is a very sick update. Thank you to Hunter once again for making this very sick update. This is very cool. Yeah, I'm gonna turn this off because I'm kind of tired, and I'm gonna Google real quick where I could turn on this goddamn siren. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Once again, if you guys want to check this out. Wait, what? What am I saying? If you guys want to play this yourself, just search up Greenville on Roblox. It's not that hard. Anyways, I'll see you guys soon. If I find out how to turn it on, I'll make a quick video, like a short or something. And then I'll just, post it. So anyway, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.